Quick little makeup for today. Literally just blush and no blush, just foundation and powder. And I did my everyday, brow mascara. Now I'm about to do my hair and get dressed. So this is what I decided to wear. I have these little houndstooth like jeggings. I got this black top and then I got a black cardigan. And then I'm gonna wear some boots with it. So this is what I attempting to wear for today. Just did my edges with this. Not the best, but will do. I went to Ross, Marshalls. Where else did I go? Ross, Marshalls, and Trader Joe's. And I went and got me some breakfast by myself. Don't tell my husband. So anyway, I'm going to do a little small haul for y'all on what I picked up. So let's go. First and foremost, which I think is probably a ripoff anyway. But anyway, some butter croissants. 3-pack. I never tried these. If you know, you know. Really, really good. Couple of bags of these. I love these. My son loves these green beans. Fire. I only eat this, the vanilla. That's it. My son. Only this one. And then you can't go there without getting 2 bottles of the conditioner, 1 bottle of the shampoo. Cannot go there without getting this. And then I went to Ross. I found these placemats. About to get my Christmas decor on. These placemats with this table runner is really, really big. It is red. Looks like this. And then the inside is like this silky red color. So, part of my Christmas decor. And then, last but not least, I went to Marshall's. I got $4.99, $5.99. If y'all know, you know, this is expensive. So to get it for $5.99, could not pass it up. Ain't no funny story. My cousin works there. I walked in and I was looking. I'm like, this look like my cousin, and it was him. He gave me a 10% discount, so I got $1.10 off my whole order. So my order was like $10. But these two items here, and that's pretty much it. So it's time to wind down for the night, and I always do my nighttime skincare routine, but tonight we're gonna do something different. I am gonna do my routine, but I'm not gonna share that with you guys. Tonight we're gonna do something different. I'm going to use this oil that I purchased today while I was out at Marshall's. $4.99 castor oil on my hair. Ooh, my hair. Ooh, it smells real good. My hair is super duper dry. I should be actually spraying some leave-in conditioner on it, but for tonight we are going to oil this dry scalp. Oh, so backstory, I got these put in around my birthday. Last thing, this is like a birthday present to myself. The price that I paid for these braids, I could have literally bought me a handbag, okay? And I love me some purses. So anyway, and I don't even know why I got the braids. I do know why I got them, but then at the same time, I don't know why I got them. Because I could have just went in with my my natural hair for a while. But if I had known that, if I was thinking, I would have just saved this style for when I was going to be out of the house. But I mean, you know, going on interviews and things, I can use the hair. It saves me time in the morning. So anyway, I'm going to... So no, what was I saying? I'm getting off track. Backstory. So I got these braids for my birthday, treating myself. Now, I wanted large. Okay? I wanted large singlets twist. For some reason, I feel like the Africans act like they don't know how to do large, or they don't know what large is. So they started off in the back with like medium parts. I don't know if y'all can see that. Like literally started off with like medium parts. Now, there was a lady that worked on the back, and there was a lady that worked on the front. The lady that worked on the front decided she wanted to do tiny ones. Look how little these are compared to the ones that's in the back. Like, they're pretty large. So I have a head full of hair. It is super like heavy, and these are supposed to be like literally lightweight, but they're heavy. So anyway, I'm gonna take some of this, and I'm going to attempt to use this for every... Oh my god, y'all don't even understand how good this feel. I'm gonna massage it in when I'm done, but I could feel it like running down my scalp. I'm gonna massage it in afterwards. It smells really good, like really good. You know, like when you're thirsty and when you get that cold drink of water and you just be like, ah, that's how my head feel right now. Like it's eating it up. I can feel it. Okay, I'm going to take that and I'm going to take my fingers, the palm of my fingers, and literally just massage this in. I am so bad at keeping my scalp moisturized when I wear braids. I figure because I don't have to do my hair, I don't have to take care of my scalp. That's not good. That's not true. So if you get braids or box braids and you keep them in for weeks, months at a time, treat your scalp, moisturize it, you know, condition it, make sure it stays healthy and clean. Don't be like me. Try to do this at least once or twice a week to keep it, you know, healthy. Because this is all the new growth here. The hair that's down here, you know, that's the old dead hair. But your new growth is important. Fresh virgin baby hair coming out of the scalp. Okay. And then I'm going to go around my edges. They are super tender because she decided to braid them so small. This stuff be running like water. I still feel like my hair is kind of on the dry side. Alright, I think I'm done. I'm going to put my lock sock on and I'm done for tonight. If y'all don't know what lock sock is, I'll leave the info down below. I went to a hair show like a few years ago, and these are actually for like locks, and it's called a lock sock. It literally has elastic band here and it's just open. I do this just to keep the hair out of the way. I still put on a bonnet sometimes, but you literally take it open like this and put it like this, pull the hair through, because I don't like sleeping with ponytails. They already like irritates my scalp. And then it's like a headband, but it's called lock sock. Alright, I got 2 of them. I think it was like 2 for $20. This is how she looks. It has so many designs and colors, but I liked it. The print on this one is really, really cute. Yeah, I think it was like 2 for $20 when I got it. But yeah, that's it for tonight.